What's up, guys? Now in this video uh, I want to show my last advances about this functionality. Basically, create one nutritional plan generator where you can choose what disease do you can heal. For instance, we can suppose that this patient have a cancer and also diabetes. The root cause of the disease is parasites, fungi, and to treat these diseases, we will prefer to choose one vegan diet. We will see what happens with it. What nutritional plan offer for it. For now, I only was working in these diseases. I was working with cancer and diabetes. Uh, Basically, everything that I have checked only was working with that. I had to create relationships that in my database. For it, after I will show you what is the data that I have in my database. Uh, okay, let's try it. I will ask to ChatGPT API to OpenAI API that I need to create one nutritional plan for cancer and diabetes with root cause that is parasites, fungi, and where I choose vegan as nutritional preferences to heal this disease. Let's do save. It is pending. I am checking this screen, this box, because I can see when the request that I send to my server, and basically to my server and after to OpenAI API. When OpenAI API respond me, the status will change. For a reason, I am checking that. I am also checking, for instance, you can see that is 0 to 0. That means that there aren't still data for it. I had some problems because OpenAI API has a loss latency for only 7 meals. I only asked, not 7 meals, I asked one total of 14 meals. Okay, finally you can see that the status changed. Now the status is success to 200 means success, but you can not some data here. It is because I have some bug in my application, my web application. But let's to reload, but to see what is the data that create. As you can see, this is the information that the nutritional plan that offered LGBT for 7 days. If we check now the database, you can see that it changed to 7 because in the prompt I asked one nutritional plan for 7 days, because if I tried to realize more requests, I tried not for not 7 meals, it is for 7 days. But as you can see here, every day has 2 meals, and um, every meal has 3 ingredients. Yeah, because I asked for that, I request for that to OpenAI API. Now let's to analyze first what is the prompt that I request to to ChatGPT, to OpenAI API. Basically, I said build a nutritional plan to heal cancer. Must be okay. I only marked cancer. Don't matter. That means that I only checked cancer. Build a nutritional plan to heal cancer must be for 7 days. I said that I only can ask for 7 days because if I ask for more days, the servers of ChatGPT has a lot latency. That means basically that take a lot of time to get one response from ChatGPT servers. For a reason, I am asking for now for 7 days. Maybe there are some way to enhance the latency. I need to review still that. Yeah, maybe. And every day must have 2 meals and 3 ingredients in every meal. As you are seeing 2 meals by day, breakfast and lunch, with 3 ingredients in every meal. I still don't create more input for it to customize the amount of meals for day and the amount of ingredients for it also. After I will create that, void processed foods, and processed supplements. Use only organic foods, but you both use organic word in the response. It is because sometimes when I was realizing some tests, for instance here, uh, ChatGPT wrote carrot, organic carrot, and mixed berries, and spinach, and almonds, and blueberries, and everything blueberries, organic blueberries, organic almonds, organic spinach. For me, don't like that. For a reason, I decided to remove organic word in the response. Boy, to add grilled foods because sometimes ChatGPT also include this food. Basically, was to fix this error that I was asking without these foods. The disease was caused by parasites, therefore include mainly this recommendation. I am saying that was caused by parasite diseases or cancer. Therefore, include this mainly this recommendation include uh, chocolate, sauerkraut twice by week. I am asking this food twice by week. Drink 40 ounces of carrot juice all days. Basically, as you can see here, carrots. We can have carrots. That means that ChatGPT accomplished my order perfectly. Include properly. Let's to check see if was included properly. As you can see, properly was not included. Was not include properly. Include sauerkraut twice per week. Carrot juice include propolis twice by week. Include 20 millimeters of castor oil. As we we still we don't have castor oil. Twice by week every 3 days. Couldn't to achieve ChatGPT my ChatGPT couldn't accomplish with my request for that. That is one problem. And another important thing, include greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, and seeds. I include these foods because these foods are mainly really potent anti-cancer foods. For a reason, I said that include mainly that include these foods to heal cancer. And as we can see whole grain breast. I don't know what means it. Whole whole grain breast, grain breast. Okay, I believe that we have one breast, grain breast. I believe that we have here one problem. ChatGPT is adding a whole grain breast, roll out, rolled. I saw that some people use oats to heal cancer also. Maybe it's good, maybe no. I believe that it will depend of the nutritionist. Mixed berries, okay, it is good. Banana, spinach, apple, almond, anti-cancer foods completely. Quinoa, blueberries, hemp seeds. It is okay. Hemp seeds really anti-cancer ingredient. Whole grain bread. It don't like me. Depend how is the breath, but the idea at moment to get one protocol to heal cancer, I believe that it is completely raw. It is, if it is possible, raw. Whole grain breast. Um, it don't like me. For me don't like me. I would not include that. I prefer include one pumping, Hülkenberg, cauliflower instead of it. I asked for cruciferous. I don't include cruciferous. Cruciferous is also one potent anti-cancer food. Yeah, I need to add to the database for data. As you can see, it is the data that I insert in the database. It is for maybe will be difficult to understand this, but basically where I have the recommendation for cancer is here. G-bombs, according to Joel Furman. I saw a lot of videos of Joel Furman. Really good doctor in vegetarian diet. And I decided to include raw or mainly these foods according to the recommendation of Joel Furman: green beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, and seeds. I believe that cruciferous also. Cruciferous don't start with C. GC bombs. Maybe it should be the name of it. Yeah. Okay, I believe that I have one problem. No, I don't have one no problems. GC bombs. I will change to GC bombs through the original name for that was G-bombs, because I want to add to my request also cruciferous. Uh, uh, Cruciferous. After I will realize some tests with this new, including this. But let's to continue analyzing how to achieve accomplish ChatGPT my the request that I sent to ChatGPT server. I asked for drink. Maybe I need to change it. I need to say include 40 ounces because ChatGPT can drink. it is that is stupid. I need to change it. I need to include 40 ounces of carrot juice all days. ChatGPT here added uh, carrots. calories. Okay, I have problems. I had problems with amounts. Maybe ChatGPT couldn't to return the right amount of, maybe I asked to ChatGPT one wrong amount. I need to fix that also. Include properless was not included, wasn't included also. Properless, another potent antiparasitic food, and boost your immune system also. For me, that I had parasites work sometimes. Include this is, for me in my case, this is the ingredient, the food that most helped me a lot to remove parasites, to clean my gut. And it's basically castor oil. Includes 20 milliliters of castor oil twice by week. Castor oil also was castor oil. Don't was include also twice by week, every 3 days. We have also one problem here. ChatGPT is not achieving to accomplish with the order that I am requesting. One problem, one big problem. And also include greens, beans. As you can see, we can have here a lot. First, I want to find greens, almonds, apple, blueberries, hemp seeds, almond milk, carrots, chickpeas. Is one being lime, maybe lime, not kale. We have here one green, arugula also, kale again, onion, barley. What is barley? I don't remember what is barley. Barley, really barley? I finally remember what is barley, but barley. I don't know if it will be it is right to recommend barley, but GPT responds in that way. GPT also responds spinach, sauerkraut. It is okay. It is okay. Black beans. I request by beans. We have here beans, black beans, chickpeas. It seems one being to what family really it belongs. I don't know. I believe that belong to beans also. Jeff, I believe that chickpeas belongs to beans. Lentils, another bean. Believe bean family. I refer. Bell pepper, sauerkraut, quinoa, kale, sunflower, lime, avocado, chickpeas again. Almond milk. It is one processed food. I am not really sure if it should be included in that. Maybe depend how it was processed. The almond milk, whole grain bread. It is really bad. Cooked, apple, carrot, almond, spinach, banana, carrots, olive oats, mix, berries. We have here a lot of berries, another berry. Okay, only berries for one day. Okay, berry for only 2 days. We also have banana. It's okay. Avocado also is okay. Carrot is okay. As you can see, ChatGPT was creating not so bad, and play, not so bad. Include at least some potent anti-cancer foods, onions. We have here beans, lentils, uh, peas, chickpeas, another greens also. Seeds, we have here a lot seeds, not seeds for 3 days. Carrot, we have I believe that more is my problem because the amount it have one problem. I don't know if it really is accomplished with this request. Drink 40 ounces of carrot juice all days. Maybe that is one problem. uh, I believe that I will have to realize some tests more with the ChatGPT prompts to try to achieve that ChatGPT accomplish with the request that I am requesting to the servers. Yep, I mean I will try some enhancement to the prompt. Now I want to show how I was creating this prompt basically first when you are realizing when you are trying when you select these options parasites for instance of fungi constipation or cancer diseases maybe diabetes. Basically you are going to choose the information or these parameters from the database. I choose that neo4j for it because basically it's good showing the relationships between information. For instance, let's to check first this. How is my database? It is not the information that I have here. Basically, it is one complex relationship between different things, between diseases, between recommendations, between restrictions, between root causes. For a reason is good. This database is good managing the relationships. We can have a root cause one bacteria. We have recommendation as oregano oil. Another root cause can be anti-nutrients in some case where the people have very nutritional deficiencies. Another root cause, an ugly root cause of many diseases we can have parasites. There are many nodes that many diseases as you can see cancer, leaky gut, constipation. What more? Chronic kidney disease. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I needed to fix it. Uh, I was doing only tests because I know that I have to realize more adjustment to this database. Thyroiditis, of course, also can be caused by parasites. But in this database, also it's easy to get some specific requests and not show too many information. For instance, here I want to share. I want to check how is the relationships with parasites. And we have here only for parasites. We reduce the information. We only have parasites here. For instance, we have for to remove parasites, we have as recommendation propolis. For instance, you can see include propolis twice by week. That is part of the prompt that I sent to ChatGPT. For instance, here. Where is that? I don't remember. Improve propolis twice by week, but ChatGPT couldn't achieve couldn't achieve realize include this propolis in the nutritional program that I request. But I am basically this is the design the database that I am using to adjust to create a good prompt. For instance, also include casserole. For me, it worked really in awesome way. Basically I was capable to heal or almost complete be healthy thanks to castor oil to remove parasites to clean the body. The crude also really awesome to fight against parasites. Carrot juice also true. In my case, it don't help me a lot. In my case, who helped me more was it. Uh, I don't really because what happens because I saw that in many patients, carrot juice works in a perfectly way, but in my case, not. But carrot juice have also problems as chronic kidney disease. If you have chronic kidney disease, you can't drink carrot juice. For a reason, as you can see, I will sort it. As you can see, carrot juice has one restriction from the chronic kidney disease, and another restriction if you have uncontrolled diabetes. I believe that you have to the patient have to ask for one request, ask for help to one professional. What happened here? What happened here? I don't know what happened here. What happened here? I don't know. I need to execute again the query. And basically that, and basically what I am doing at the moment to create this prompt, to create basic prompt to have better control about what is sending to ChatGPT servers. Basically, I create this database where I have more control of how it should be managed when uh, how should we create one prompt, how one disease must be cured, because as you can see ChatGPT still have problems. I asked for propolis and I don't have propolis here. Another thing, also carrot juice. At least ChatGPT could say that it is carrot juice and not only carrot. There are one way to check what is the amount. For it, I will check my database and I check what is the amount that ChatGPT assigned to carrot juice. Breakfast, carrot. Waiting grounds, that is a problem. Only, what the fuck? Need to change it to different format. Need to access to my meals. In my first meal is my ingredients. And as you can see, it is equivalent. No, I don't want to see that. Ingredients. I want to check that. Carrot. Basically, weighting grams is 500 grams. I believe that that is my problem in that case. That was my blame because ChatGPT I didn't use. Oh, I specified to 40 ounces of carrot juice, but I asked to carrot juice, and ChatGPT only returned carrots. But maybe it is raw carrots. It is that I want in juice if really important for one patient with cancer. Maybe I needed to adjust also some parts of my prompts. Maybe create 1.5 liters or 1.25 liters. Yeah, maybe I needed to test with that to see if ChatGPT is able to create to accomplish with that requirement. But for now, I am I am doing it. I am doing it. I will realize more adjustments. Yeah. The idea is that ChatGPT or one artificial intelligence was capable to accelerate the creation of nutritional programs, as you can see. True, I believe that it is not really bad. I believe that one nutritionist can work still over this template. I can realize some adjustments. Maybe can assign it to one patient. That was the idea of this application. Okay, I only wanted to show my advances about this nutritional plan generator. And see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao. Bye bye.